You don't think that's the line to get into the Canes there, do you?
But just try.
They haven't, it's not, you know, they're being accused of being an arm of the Chinese government. I have to say, this feels a little bit like a continuation of the trade war, for one thing. Not a security issue, but a trade war.
Oh boy.
And
what's this?
What's what?
You know, there's, you know,
all
there
this
was just
slime.
an editorial Newsweek saying TikTok.
Oh, they're all trying to get in.
It is Canes.
Holy cow!
As evidence. TikTok
Oh my gosh!
U.S. residents.
Guess what? We're not going to Canes.
Quantity of user data collected shares. Changing the radio station, that's within your control. But the information you share when you shop or browse online may not be.
No!
With more cyber threats than ever before, you need more protection.
I can't.
Norton 360 with
You can't handle the truth!
protection for your device.
No need to say that.
Online privacy and more. No one can prevent it. But Norton 360 with LifeLock is a powerful.
What is it, left turn only?
For cyber safety.
Must be left turn
or more
only.
on your first year. Go to norton.com/.
They just drove by Canes and saw it. It's going to take them 2 hours to get something for dinner. Now they're all going to Kentucky Fried Chicken, see? Holy smokes! Look at the cars lined up to get in there.
They are determined.
Oh my goodness.
They're determined to do it.
This is the line to get into Canes. It's crazy. And it's back, and the whole parking lot in Canes is packed. Oh, Lita, what? The protesters.
It's a revolutionary
Got some protesters at Coronado.
The real cause of ED. This safe, non-invasive procedure breaks down plaque and blockages, which restores blood flow and ultimately reverses ED. Best part is there are no pills, no shots, and no pain. Now you can get off Viagra and be spontaneous again, naturally. If you have ED or Peyronie's disease.
I'll flash my lights at these guys. They'll get all excited.
AMYI HD2 San Diego. Live. Local breaking. More confidence tonight and a peaceful protest right now.
Yeah, see there? Told you. I'll give them a thumbs up and flash the lights. They're all excited.
There's a lot to talk about on the latest developments with the COVID crisis and the state of the economy. And
Oh, good move there, buddy.
We're going to cover as much of it as we can in the limited time we've got. Lots to cover, so thanks for being with me on the program.
Should we make that investment in a 22-year-old ship?
Correct.
Any predictions until a third
That's what I've been saying. I don't know for sure that they're going to try to fix it. They might just take what they can off of it and scrap it. Yeah. It's a 22-year-old ship, and it's been damaged pretty damn badly. I think it's going to be worth, or not worth saving. I got a feeling that ship's going to get scrapped. Okay, buddy. Come on over, buddy. Come on over, buddy. When you can.
But I think it's a great collaboration of businesses that have just gotten kicked in the face, trying to find a unique way to weather the storm.
Is this a road right here? Am I in a lane here?
No. Your lane is going up there.
What the hell kind of...
You're not in the lane nga.
I guess I'm not. My lane just ended and it didn't even give me any warning. What the hell kind of marking in the street is that?
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. It's time to play okay. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway. Cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right again? Don't you wanna feel whole? Don't you wanna feel? Full steam through the setbacks. You can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shape the mind. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat. Where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway. Cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right again? Don't you wanna feel whole? Don't you wanna feel? Don't you wanna, don't you wanna, don't you wanna feel Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway.
Woo, baby! Closing Sunday. Bonhomme Richard burning. What the hell's going on up there? What the hell was that?
What?
Good golly. What the heck is going on with this car? What was that? It looks like it's decorated for Christmas. I saw that guy moving, so at least I know he's alive.
Mayor Bill de Blasio of New York. I believe he was on CNN, right, Lou?
Yeah, that was Wolf Blitzer.
Wolf Blitzer, and we saw this last night. Lou
Where'd that guy going? There's no lane there.
And he's like, take a load of...
There's no lane there, buddy. You knew that when you went around me. Come on now, let you in. Good golly. Oh, you're from New Jersey. Okay, that explains it.
Online, over 5,000 ready buyers would
Oh, yeah. That's not a lane.
Without any in-person interaction.
Well, come on out now, buddy. You're going to come out that far. Might as well come out all the way. Man, I'm sure glad that the proposition last year to repeal the gas tax didn't go through, because the Democrats promised to spend all that money on the gas tax to fix our roads. And I can look right here and see our roads are in great shape. Thank you, Democrats.
Use this money to raise revenues to pay for things like roads and bridges and schools. And,
No,
obviously,
the gas tax is paying for the roads to be fixed. What are you talking about?
I can't believe people stood out in like 30-degree weather just to get some time. But it's not just weed, Ryan. Smoking cigarettes got a little tougher for teens as of the new year. You now have to be 21.
4 years ago, Donald Trump beat the Democratic establishment. And then he blasted Democratic insiders in Washington on impeachment, despite his obvious crimes and corruption.
The president is guilty.
What
Now,
obvious
if we
crimes
don't
and
do
corruption?
something different this time around, he'll win again. That's the hard truth.
That's
We
good.
simply can't afford to nominate another insider or an untested newcomer who doesn't have the experience to beat Trump on the economy. We need to think different. Tom Steyer is a progressive businessman who left his company and is using his time and money to beat big corporations and address climate change. He can expose Donald Trump as a fraud and failure on the
That's a
economy.
big hoax.
He's running on the economy. He's running on the idea that Democrats can't grow an economy, are a bunch of socialists.
Well, it's
Can't
all
afford
true.
to vote for him.
That's all true.
My job is to take on Mr. Trump and kick his ass on the economy. I'm Tom Steyer, running for president, and I approve this message.
Paid for by Tom Steyer 2020.
Eating fresh.
Get up. We want you to get on your feet. Stand up, stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now, right now. Think about it till you black out. So get the fuck up. Cause we gon' light up this place. We got the business for days. Tokyo GA from the outer space. So cover and duck, you're out of luck, we don't give up. Yeah, we're going up, next floor is us, you're riding with us. Get up. We want you to get on your feet. Stand up, stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now, right now. Think about it till we black out. So get the fuck up.
Za uwe fruik ni maya nifta ting mikunting nari Tompaya katos ake akatos ekon talana werutasi Za uwe fruik ni maya nifta ting mikunting nari Tompaya katos ake akatos ekon talana werutasi Za uwe fruik ni maya nifta ting mikunting nari Tompaya katos ake akatos ekon talana Don't let me fall where I don't